initially created an amazing fireworks brand for the gender reveal industry, and that was the main goal. Hence the initial name of our website being amazinggenderreveal.com. After receiving a great response to this creation in just a short amount of time, we decided to add a little for the wedding industry with celebration sparklers, party sparklers, and cold spark fountains. That led us to expanding even more to creating our nighttime Proline series and daytime fireworks series, which is being released later this year, 2024.